Hey guys, Brandon here. So today I just want to do a quick video on one of the biggest mistakes that I see new copywriters make, and also so many business owners in their copywriting. So here's what it is. When you're writing copy, I know you want to sound unique and be creative and be different and all those things and be a purple cow. But far too often I see headlines that are like synergistic technology to built with intuitive interface that connects people or something. And I'm just like, I see these kinds of headlines and I'm like, what the heck does that mean? And I feel like with a lot of people's copy, especially with headlines and stuff like that, or in people's bios, if they're a personal brand and it's strategic, passionate personal branding. And it's like, what does that mean? With your copy, it is far more important to sound clear and boring than it is to sound unique and creative. If you cross the line of unique and creative to the point where nobody knows what you mean, then you've lost them. And if you confuse, you lose. So cut it out. Get rid of the confusing copy where a fifth grader, someone who's 10 years old, should be able to read your copy. If they read it, know what the heck you mean. You need to be able to be so clear with your copy. That is the number one thing I've seen people make mistakes with in their copy. Copywriters, new copywriters, and new business owners trying to sound too fancy and use big words and be unique and creative and whatever. It's just tell people what you do. Just be very simple. If you're, for instance, a cold email software, it's we help you send 100 cold emails in 2 minutes automatically. Just say it. Just say what it is. If you're a personal brand, tell people, I help you grow to 1,000 followers in 90 days with awesome copywriting, or viral copywriting. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. There's a not very big rule in copywriting. If you confuse, you lose. So don't confuse people. Just make your copy so simple, so clear, right to the point, benefits driven still. Lead with the benefits, lead with the outcome, and just be very clear. This is what you get. Boom, boom, boom. Here for a bio, you want a Twitter bio that's going to convert more followers, more leads. I help target audience achieve X result with this mechanism, and then show off your authority. You write copy that's simple and clear, you will get more followers, more leads, and more conversions.